Efe! Efe! Never still wake up? Eh? Efe! Hey! You still there here?
Money don't reach.
Now night you day. Yeah. Stupid boy. When you do, come meet me, oh.
Mommy.
Waiting.
Mommy, come you.
See, make I tell you. Listen to me. I don't get any money to give you. If you need any money, go sit in the room, go meet your papa.
Mommy, this one no be money now. I never go school, I go ask money. Mommy, see. Mommy, see. I know peace for house now. Yeah? See, I just wait. No peace. Just wait.
Go meet your papa for sitting room. Maintain. You tell him. I don't get time. Let's go. I don't go.
Okay.
No. I'll see you in the evening. Bye-bye.
Peace. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Daddy, I know I won't see you. Get waiting, I won't show you. Daddy, see, as I wake up this morning, just discover say I'm not peaceful.
You wait, and you know peace.
Yes, sir. And now the people like me, shall be the peace for us.
It's a normal thing.
That's a normal thing.
Yeah. It's a normal thing. By the way, you still there at this time, Abi? Eh? When your mate on this school?
And that we won't go back fast.
My friends go back for go school.
Daddy, you sure seen a normal thing.
These guys then go kill you. Don't let her wound you. Go just let these guys wound you.
Thank you, Jare.
I just they come from market. They see you. They
wahala too much. I don't tell them about this stupid boy. Why not get future?
Never.
Eh? Hey! Stop there. Happen or whatever they call you. You school dropout that doesn't have any future. I don't get down with you. Now your mama will not train you well because I don't want you for this estate. Tell her say me I say this evening. If you don't want you, me and I'm gonna put left for one trouser. Tell her say I talk so. Stupid boy like you will not get sense. We will not get future. Make I see with my daughter again.
Kaposki, Kefenemen, I want them. Kaposki, I lost do. Kaposki, oh, my level. Kaposki, go run we did together. Should we did together, eh?
Yes, so what neck, Kefenemen? Oh, so what I got.
What's the stop now? So we got a turn now. Which kind of take granite to be this already for you now? What did happen now? Give them one, eh?
Sewa.
Bra, give them a
God, I don't suffer.
Oh, give them now, eh?
I won't go on done akara. We never done. I'm going to come and get it for my side today.
What kind of undone akara? What kind of form did you for this your side, guy? For this stay away again.
Ah, guys, that man is in you. Sewa. You know that shawarma. That's my shawarma.
Oh, since it happened, what happened to the kid now? What is so?
That alone carry me go on the highest level. Guy, they on top high tension like this.
Da, box wedding.
Now when I come milk from that cow, I don't milk the cow. No one granite, just bounce and enter.
Wait, what kind of akaga? Kind of cup?
Sewa, that no pay me pass. You need to pay me pass.
What's the pay you?
The granite to class in MBA mom see. Can you tell me say? Can you tell me so boy me Akbar? I don't say level with a pikin.
You don't slap this woman. I be make I dey go slap. Man go dey slap her. Make I go dey slap this woman make she get sense.
This happen now.
What's happen like that?
See this now. I go drop that package. Guy, 2 seconds.
Everything boss.
2 seconds.
Everything boss. Because now
2 seconds.
everything boss on there.
Guy.
Guy know yawa. Wembu, they go Wembu, go do something one there. Wembu, go do something one there. Wembu.
Oh boy, hope so you enjoy yourself soon.
But guy, which level be the level where you dey clear me for phone say Benga and what?
Omo na so I hear am o. That guy just he want to go toast my babe.
Don't die.
You don't tell am.
I tell her now, but you know say no the year old.
They don't be in fault now. You know all these small boys now. They don't get money to buy 2 or 3 boxers. They go begin say their papa and them are mates.
I dey surprise you. Maybe na because you don't dey wear t-shirt with them so. But nobody fit take my babe bro. Na me go use you tire. Or my own money champ one. Efe. Why you come dey waka like person wey want to jam in palace o?
I see now. The way the waka dey come, sef, you don't show say something dey worry you. What be the level? What dey happen?
Wetin do your body? Okay, na private thing you wan make we talk. That one no be problem now, babe. I dey come. If you come talk to me. Wetin happen now?
As I wake up this morning, I don't just understand. I just discover say my box are wet.
Your box are wet?
And I no peace for house. My box are don sweat. I'm big boy like I no fit dey peace for house now.
Wait. How do you think be? E be like akamu abi e be like okra water?
Bros, e just dey like okra water. E be kind of raw.
Efe, you don become a man.
Bros, why you dey talk like this? This one I dey tell you, I tell my Male come refer me go meet Pale.
Wetin your pale come talk?
Pale just no be dey tell me say na normal thing, say my go back man dey go school.
Na normal thing, Jare. Na normal thing.
Say na fever.
Wait, make me I tell you the truth. See, your Male and Pale no wan tell you the truth at all.
Bros, you no know wetin pain me pass. That stupid boy. Akman, I go tell Akman this thing wey I dey tell you so. Akman come go tell Rafi. Mumu Rafi wey no get sense. Come go tell my class. Bros, everybody just dey hear me for class. Thing pain me o.
Efe. See, make I tell you, you don't become a man now. May I tell you the truth? Your Male and your Pale no one tell you the truth because they won't be like God when no one tell Adam and Eve the truth about the Garden of Eden. That fruit where they always say make them no chop. See, you supposed to now you supposed to go discharge this thing for all those people wey dey in our area. The thing where you need now, I will give you. Wait, my babe. Give that food. See, make I show you something. See. You don't see, you see this one.
Jesus.
You see Jesus for there? I beg now this thing you need to go boost your morale, Jare. They tell you, go sit down, enjoy yourself, watch this thing. Your morale go straighten up. I'm gonna come sit down, enjoy yourself. I'm gonna come sit down, make you enjoy yourself, Jare. Efe.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n, sorry baba.
Apan.
Oga Scott.
Apan.
Calabar
boy. This
boy.
Omo, you don't see your friend Efe.
Come Akwa. Omo, you fall my hand o. Wetin happen now? Why you no show your brother the level wey dey happen?
Who?
For put your friend for level.
No be Efe. You see na Dolapo. Na Kamugai na him be. Oga Scott. This one we say if you look at your phone like Tete Koto, wetin happen? Na latest.
Na latest I give am no be see wetin dey there.
Na latest.
Omo na new download.
Oh my God, you go.
Download.
Hope na no finish my megabyte chow.
He. Oga Scott.
What
You see this one? You see this tag? Are we talking is knock Cynthia if I catch him again? I tell you.
So you two, they follow them shop Cynthia?
Now for you, say bad. You know, say Calabar be bad.
My friend, as we did so, I say this weather still dey cool for me.
Make you no kill yourself for this hot afternoon again.
But the weather still cool for me now, baby. Na love.
So tell me, why was your mom so mad at you this afternoon?
Leave that man, Joe, because she caught me and Akma kissing at the backyard.
Cynthia, kissing?
What is strange about it?
So, you and Akma are fond of seeing each other to that extent? No wonder I saw you smiling at him the day before yesterday.
Yes, we see each other secretly most times.
And you kiss each other too?
Is there anything wrong with it?
My mom used to tell me that I should never kiss any man.
Why?
She said I can get pregnant, of course.
But me and Akman, we kiss often. Am I pregnant?
My mom also said that even if any man crosses my leg, I will get pregnant as well.
Your mother must be a clown, because me and Akman, we've done all those stuff. But I'm not pregnant now.
Jesus Christ, you are not serious.
What has Jesus Christ got to do with this?
Hi, tell you what so.
Abba.
Cynthia. You want to eat?
Very angry with me now.
You need to cause for few. Mommy beat me up this afternoon. I never bothered to call me since then.
Stop being angry at me.
Is that not enough reason for me to be mad at you?
See that? This time, I'm so sorry about it. Sincerely speaking, I'm sincerely sorry. But you know, there was nothing I could do about that. Okay. Okay, do you know what? Let's do this way. Come down, shoes. Come.
Fine, give me 2 minutes, I'll be back.
Okay.
If you guys sit down now.
Okay, Baba.
Cynthia, please don't be too long.
I won't. Just make yourself comfortable, take it. It's a nice community to be with. I'm spending only 5 minutes with you. Only 5 minutes.
Hi.
Champion right from time. Real champion for the game now.
You don't mean it.
Don't mind her. She thinks I'm a baby and that she can use us to hype her sexual tension.
Me? Hype my sexual strength? For why now?
Cynthia, having sex with a guy for more than 1 hour. You be machine.
My sister, tell her, machine gone safe. It break down.
That is what I used to think before I met Scott.
Wait which Scott?
Scott in our estate now.
Wait, you mean they date Scott so?
I used to date him before he introduced me to a certain drug called tramadol. And you won't believe it, ever since then, my sexual ability has changed to the best.
Tramadol? Cynthia.
Calm down. It's only a drug that will help you improve your sexual strength, nothing else.
Anyway, Cynthia, me I go like use the drug but hope there is no side effects.
Side effects, care. I've been using that drug for the past 1 year.
You don't mean it.
They ask questions.
Anyways, I go like come collect the drugs for your house too, because me and Scout, we get dates this evening.
Don't worry, I think I have some at home. I'll bring it for you later.
Oh, Rara, oh. Before you go get wound, though.
I'll be a fair boy.
See, but no worry. I'll bring the drug to your block by 5 this evening, because I wouldn't want my mom to suspect anything. I don't want problem, please.
Okay, now, no wahala.
Okay, Jare. I'm going to my mommy's shop.
Every day.
Bye-bye.
Mama picky, the boy. Bye-bye.
Before I forget, Abba, somebody called me. What did they call that woman? She, Mama Cynthia. I was coming back the other day. She come for me. Come to tell me, say, make I want my pikin. Who be that Cynthia?
Cynthia na nobody. That person will no matter. She don't be anything. She don't be anybody.
I hope not with that stupid girl where they come and down with the stupid boy with the first day they useless. Apa, make I warn you. I no one make you just tell my name for this estate. I dey go my own jeje. You know what I'm bagging now? I show him so with any useless person for this estate. In Anupam now.
Cynthia, that one a dirty girl now. Which I figure with that kind of person. Mommy, no me now. My get level. Me say, I don't pass that kind of thing. Also on a childish play now.
Okay.
Trust me.
I've told you. Okay. You don't want Gaga?
Momsy.
Okay.
Anything fair, boy. You don't drop anything. Mommy. Thank you. Good luck, yo. Best mommy in the world.
Hey, Edo Agbes, Edo. You say wetin dey disturb una for body dey disturb us.
Egbon, this dey bite me well.
Abeg. Tell us why you call us here because wetin you tell me for phone now, una too much. E dey make me dey fear. I dey shiver.
As I receive your call, you gonna yarn us that kind of matter. My body thing just changed. That's why we just rush come here. More here wetin dey happen. Egbon.
I want you guys to know that the level of love I got for you guys could be here. If not, I for no corner for this kind of call. Why I call now? But this your guy, Benga. They step on toes.
Benga.
Imagine here, over my young Agbaje. But I don't say the thing where we just suffer around. Now we go do am that way. Why I go chop inside? I make I call her now. You had better put him in order. Let his head correct.
But like this now, my blood on the hot. But I'm the hot now. But my blood the hot. Waiting this Benga do a bang.
Akpan. Sure you one time he say you know say Benga dey toast pass. My own brother, Scott girlfriend. But Akpan, tell me, you want me say you don't know?
Let this go, man, they clean.
Benga no fit that. Benga do that kind of thing. More na put time in order. Bibeko. Yeah, my giant issue. Don't be waiting we sit down here, they talk.
Egbon, you do as you call us like that. Egbon, you do as just call us, just let us know it go like this. Egbon, hey, that guy head must correct.
Don't say you guys.
Go set and straight.
I just like on her too. Because I got a look say, when I dey on her age, I say I get person when they give me levels like this. I don't pass. What I beat you.
Don't worry, don't worry.
I will leave it first like this guy.
I'm gonna go.
Go to
2 seconds.
Sorry.
2 seconds.
Sit down for cut. Marisha. Hello, sit down for corner.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ bá mi.
Tayo.
Sir.
What? You are doing today? Done. Yeah, I know.
Bami, not again. Bami, why?
I she's for body again. So I mean, we just good begin when we train for good as Papa come up. That is how I train you. And telling me, yeah, I go. Mommy, tell her I'm hungry.
This man.
Just full of.
You don't see go drink again. You don't go Mama Moringa place, go drink again. Eh?
Oh. I don't want trouble. I'm okay, I'm alright. I just want to eat.
You are a shameless man. Shame on you. Money where you supposed carry come house, maybe take chop. You carry and go drink from Mama Moringa place. Now you can't call and say you want chop. You want chop? And like that you go sleep. Come chop. Before where you keep for us, come chop. Agbaya ushi.
Yada, it's me that you opened out your mouth like PSP to call Agbaya Ushi.
And the thing where you be with that. Come chop.
Agbaya Ushi. See, don't provoke me. As I am sitting down like this, I'm almost on. You know, you should go and born delay.
It's okay. You people have started again.
Yeah, Dayo. I will count 1 to 1,000. Tima count 1,000. Don't tell me what you do. You will see fire.
Fire. Bring the fire and I will punch him for you.
Yeah, Dayo, I'm hungry. You want me to beg you that I'm hungry? Yeah, no problem.
Come chop, different way you keep for us. Shameless man. Come chop her.
Yeah, Tayo. Ma provoke me. I need food I want to eat.
Why you fuck up like this? Why you form my hand? Don't tell me.
You for your hand. I don't tell you say, that thing na gradual process. We don't meet, we don't parole together. So we need to take them step by step. See, if you reach that bridge, we will cross them. Forget that thing.
See your talk. Since they this talk like this. Which me when you get to that bridge there your front like this. That bridge there your front like this. Cross her now. No, it's not once. Cross that bridge now. I don't set something for you. Like me just chop something you don't want to chop. What's your problem now?
Mark, listen.
Like let me
see. That girl, she be virgin. She be virgin now. So I need to take her step by step. I don't feel rush am. No fit.
Wait. They try to tell me say Tayo a virgin.
Now wait till the year be that.
Hey, what Abasi? And you said you be virgin. So virgin plus virgin equals to.
No. Hey, no. Come on. Hey.
Hey. Boy, if you. But you know say you no get sense, sha.
I go talk say I no get sense. See me now, I get sense.
Why you dey door? No tell me why you dey door. They be like don't do anything. You be a guy for crying out loud. Guy, don't be need to carry last.
I no carry last. Hey, I no feel rush am.
You know it.
Let's go.
Me, I'm your Akpan. I'm your guy. I will level am for you. I know what you go do. That means you go chop am.
Hey, you sure?
Come. Akpan.
I want to have a good with you. Tayo. I'll be your mama. See, I'm your mother. Yeah. And I know where there are changes in the woman's behavior. Don't pretend as if you don't understand what I'm talking about. Mommy, I don't understand what you are saying. You are seeing someone. No. See someone. As in... Tayo, you are seeing a man. Mommy, I'm not seeing any man, no. I'm your mother. I know where there are changes in a woman's behavior. Tell me, you can confide in me. Mommy, I'm seeing no man. I'm seeing no man. Sure, say you tell me the truth. Yes, Mommy. That's the truth. You know, say you're telling me the truth. You tell me so. What's it going? What borrow for me? What's it going? Don't worry. I need to go to concentrate on my reading. I've told you, I'm seeing no man. Hey, case of nowadays, I know say she dey lie. She dey hide something for me. It's okay. I don't need. Don't give your
That's my sweetheart. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
Don't become big girl, finish.
Are you eating?
Yes, sir.
And then, what about your brother, Effie?
I think it's an advanced place.
I think this is the right time I stop him from going to that advanced place. Go sit down.
Okay. That point, I don't think I want to do something else at this estate.
Since we don't pack on this estate, in attitude don't change. Everything about him don't turn another thing.
The way that boy they move with all those area boys from this estate, I think we need to do something about it.
Now to they enter one room to another room, they enter flats up and down. I don't know who will take that thing resemble.
He is gradually migrating. That is if he has not migrated into the group of those bad boys in this estate.
Now me go come out.
Okay.
So how do you take on go now?
Let's look at it.
Ṣé oúnjẹ mi ti ready? Ìyá Táyọ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, kí la tún gbọ́? Look, this one wey you come sit down in front of me now do hand like this. See, now people I do I dey try calculate so I don't want anything wey go distract me with all this your you don't come now I don't go do wetin happen now.
So you never notice anything about Tayo's behavior?
Notice?
The way she dey behave.
How she dey behave?
E be like say she dey see opposite sex.
Wo. E be like say she dey see opposite sex. E be like say this. E be like say Tayo. You know the. You be like say. You don't show something. You come sit down for my phone now. Calm down.
E be like say she get boyfriend.
E be like say she dey see man. She don't get boyfriend. Now you dey follow am go the boyfriend house abi? Abi she carry her mouth tell you say she don't get boyfriend?
I be woman. She obìnrin ni mí o. If a woman don't dey start to dey get boyfriend, I know as they do. I don't see her be like say she get boyfriend. Arábìnrin,
I dey carry God beg you. I beg. You don't confuse me for this thing wey I dey do. If you never show of anything, no dey sit down for my front here. I ask you food now. You say food never ready. Now you tell me say they are not see, I don't know what you concern me with persons don't do no sure.
You don't see her characters, you don't see her behavior. Eh, Shaki is here around.
Yatayo. Me Shaki is. Wetin did this my head plenty pass make I dey do a case for one girl. Maybe she dey see boyfriend or wetin. You no sure. If you no sure, no dey talk wetin you no sure.
What you go?
No let me do mistake for this way I dey.
Mo ti sọ ti tèmi o, torí tó bá délẹ̀ ńsìn. Àjọ ikọ́ la máa fi yanjú ẹ̀ o.
27,787, 27,000. Okay. 827, 1, 2.
What did happen now? This always just back me. Akpa. Benga. Yes. Okrino Casey. Benga. How many times I don't tell you send me the shit? When they clean on your shit. I mean they pack that shit. Don't they carry shit they walk up to around this estate? No, they announce everybody say they don't shit. I don't tell you. Wambi. I don't tell you, say, anytime when you want to talk to me, when you talk straight, I don't understand what you talk. Man. Just tell me, what did happen, what is up? Clear me. Benga. Why you come do, so why you come for you and say something because Scott come find out say you want to run part. You know, say, Pat, now they seduce me now. So, let me tell you something. And I know they done myself now. They done me. For waiting. You don't understand. In case you don't know, I be Yoruba boy. Just like that. I don't let them go. Apa, you understand now? Menga. Yes, Menga. Yeah. You see my party. And anything we do, you know, somebody I get your back. But no go make go do something good just boss everybody. You even get lost say one no day, say what they para. In the para, say you go to let them. You go to let your things, your doings they come out. Anyhow, shout, don't visit now, don't come and down. Which you did say we get your back like this, but guy, that's what you do now. Use your sense. See. I never even enter the guy. But for waiting you talk soon now. I go enter. Not only once. I wallet that. Call it. Let me tell you something. Scott, or what you call her? Call her Leo. Because level 2 OT shift Allah on board. You understand? That we dey on board. True talk, sha. Don't worry, guy, we dey your back. Yes, man. No your back, no worry. Just chop on. Yes. 2 seconds. My boss, guy. Chop.
Hey, young man, come back here. Now, where you the snake go?
Daddy, I no snake go. I won't go collect my book for Rafi and I get biology test tomorrow.
Rafi? Now, who still be Rafi?
You don't know that that one where they say I want going. Your son now, Rafi. Your son, a champion.
So you don't know all the boys, all the bad boys and the good boys who is inside this estate. You don't know them finish, Abi?
No.
Rafi na my classmate too.
Now your classmate. I not tell you what they happen. You see this your son? Very soon, he go contest for chairperson. I've been a chairman in the corner. For this estate, I bet you he go win. He go win.
This boy, you are a suspect.
Suspect?
Yes, you are a suspect. When you are supposed to be in your room reading by now, you say you get test tomorrow.
Sir, it's the book I want to go and collect. The biology book.
Okay. I'm giving you 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
10 minutes you must be back here.
They ask you be suspect. What did you suspect me for? What did you be suspect for?
No, the way you take the laugh for this matter, this boy matter, you are suspect.
Okay, you know why I laugh? I still say the boy too resemble you. You don't see him, no, see character.
No, if Efe no resemble me, who he go resemble?
Yes, who is it coming? Sayo, what's up?
I'm fine, thank you. Is Efe around?
He should be on his way. Alright, come and sit.
Thank you. No, thank you, I'm okay.
We just called no ways. It's Felicia's! Papa, fuck. Oh boy, my match. Don't worry. 2 seconds. You go boss. You understand the guys here now? Okay. Tayo. Don't get about home. Get so comfortable. If you know the guys here now.
Thank you.
Why don't you make yourself comfortable? You're not free. Relax. This is my second house. Yeah, this is my second house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so be free. Be free now.
Okay.
You can come close. Yeah, that reminds me. There's something I want to tell you. There's this thing I'm trying to tell you. Understand? It's been in my mind for a long time.
Please stop.
Look, I love you. I want to make you my superwoman. Just give me a chance. Understand?
Since you left shop, say you dey come house. See the time when you dey enter. Where I think say you for run dey cook. You know say your papa titi e ko jo oúnjẹ lọ. Oúnjẹ àfi bí àfiṣe. O ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń bọ̀ by this time. But about 25 minutes sílẹ̀ ní shop. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o bulletin po.
Mommy, I go see Cynthia.
Hey! Cynthia wey be say I meet for this our domot. The time wey I dey enter. Where she sef come look for you.
Mommy, I actually went to see Bimpe.
Ah! Ọmọ yìí ti ń parọ́. Ó ti ń parọ́. No be Cynthia again. Na Bimpe. Hey! Okay, oh. We shall see. You no go kill me for this estate. You know say I don dey talk am since. Eh? Cynthia, now na Bimpe. What is that? What's in your clothes?
Mommy, it's my monthly cycle. I just saw it a few minutes ago when I was coming back. That's why I'm rushing to come and change it.
Hey. This kid don't be lying. You go kill me for this estate. Hey. So I take my Timothy, I don't want to bear not if you see. This kind of thing nobody happen. But na lie. You want this taxi, ajo. It is not dey happen. Meet this girl for this estate.
blushing? I told you enjoyed the guy.
Cynthia, I know, but is he asking for more?
What is wrong in him asking for more? What do you expect? When he has already tasted the fruits in the Garden of Eden, he surely asks for more now.
When I've not yet recovered from the wound he gave to me last time.
I beg, leave that side. Which wound? Sure you born me.
I'm afraid of. Cynthia, I'm afraid.
Afraid of what?
Getting pregnant, of course.
Hey. Getting pregnant.
Why are you laughing? What is so funny what I'm saying?
Everything is funny, girl. See, you better wake up from this or sleep and satisfy that guy before you start seeking for it somewhere else. So I'm only advising you as a friend.
Me, I don't want to be pregnant. I don't want to be pregnant.
See,
I don't want to be pregnant.
Getting pregnant, come. Getting pregnant.
Yes, who is that coming? The door is not locked. Oh, Cynthia. Is you Alpha?
Fine. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, how are you doing now? Okay.
Ify, what's your family a seat?
Oh, sorry. Come and sit, I'm carried away.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, have you seen Akman lately?
Oh, Akman. Yes. He said he wants to go and see his uncle in Surulere, so he'll be coming probably back tomorrow in the evening.
Okay. So, what of Tayo?
Tayo. Yeah, she sent me a message. She said she'll be going to her mom's shop.
Let's not forget. What about your younger sister?
Oh, Izu. Izu also went to the shop. So how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
This your mineral is not looking bad though.
Now this kind of person supposed to take for this hot weather now.
Now this kind of they call tempting mineral.
And what do you mean by that?
I don't mind sharing it with you.
Okay, it's not a big deal.
Wow, thank you.
I beg no finish am.
So cheap. No, I want. But can I take one more?
We're in a free world.
Thank you, so refreshing.
Almost reach there now. We just come up for house. We go catch you up. Eh? We don't come up for house. We don't come.
Bro Scott.
It's delicious.
Bros, now you won't come see now. As I wake up this morning, I don't understand what they do. I see my peace. I want to see how they pee something with him like milk, white, small like this. I don't understand. It's in they pain me. Bros, and they pain me.
Oh boy. Now, you don't become mad. As in, what man they get Now you don't get.
Nah, senior man disease you carry so. Anyone we know the waka kubukere, you don't carry and you be man now. Now small thing. See, I dey go somewhere now. Do what you go, do you get any money for your hand?
Papa, come and give me.
If you get money, go to that chemist way there across the road. That guy.
That chemist.
Then I make him sell you ampiclos. Use for. Once you use for, go see in the evening. Go.
Bros, bye bye.
Make sure she use one in the morning and another one in the night.
Okay, sir.
It's 500 naira.
Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome. I regards to madam.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Bye bye. All right.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, young man.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
What can I do for you?
I want to buy a big clothes, sir.
Because which one is your ordinary sachet or division? This shell is 1,000 naira per sachet. What ordinary is 300 naira per sachet? So which one do I do?
The one 1,000, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Your younger sister is there. Told us, in fact, she told your mom, and your mom told me, that last night she overheard when you were in the bathroom as you dey piss, that she hear you dey groan. As you dey piss, you dey groan in pain, as if you dey cry, as if something dey pain you. Me last night.
Me?
Yes.
Me? Bro, Daddy, I don't talk. This girl dey lie. She's lying. Why will I be groaning when I'm in the toilet? Daddy, she's lying. No?
She dey lie.
Perhaps she has been sleeping late these days, so she must be having nightmares.
So in other words, now you dey tell me say nothing dey do you.
Daddy, I'm okay. I'm in a perfect health. My body is okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, Daddy, I'm okay.
See, I be your papa. Whatever you cannot tell maybe your mother or any other person, you should at least I've been very playful with you. Then you are telling me now that nothing is wrong with you. Your mother said she prepared her food for you this afternoon, and you refused to drink the agbo. Why?
Daddy, you remember the other day that I said I was not comfortable? Mom said it's malaria. I know this thing is not malaria, so I don't need to take it. Perhaps it's very, very bitter.
Okay. If you say nothing is wrong with you, now you get your body. That's why you get body say nothing is wrong with you. You know we'll feed the force. Because your mother even suggested say maybe carry you go hospital.
Hospital? Yes. Me? Check up. Daddy, I no go. Daddy, my body dey okay. I dey kakaraka. Nothing dey do me now. Why go to go hospital? Daddy, na wasting of money. I dey okay.
Okay. But let me use this last point to sound my warning to you. Because the way I dey hear say you dey move with all those bad boys for this estate is becoming something else.
Daddy, I don't follow anybody. Daddy, trust your son. I don't follow anybody.
Be careful. That is my last warning for you. Okay, if you dey inside. And come easy.
Just the life of person.
wetin happen?
Akpana die.
Guy, wetin happen?
Akpana die. Go call my daddy, come and me. Akpan my daddy.
Why you dey come out Katana?
Akpan, beg my daddy.
Papa, what you do? What happened? What is this?
Wetin happen?
What did I pay you? I see the piece. I said a piece. Did I pay you?
Now what did you come out of my body with this?
Now your body this one go come out.
Now
your body this one go come out.
My body
Mama Efe. Hospital. Why carry this boy go inside? Carry this which one me if carry go inside house?
Shut up your mouth. Shebi, you see what you don't do my pikin so. You don't see what you don't do my pikin.
No, forget that thing. When you concern me, you come on, you got for you for this.
Show me are you. For this estate.
By the time me I am done with you and your mother,
How did you know?
you will run away from this estate.
But forget that thing. Carry your go inside.
Me, I will tell you that I am a Benin man.
I will show you.
What? Obuwa yourself. That guy is just come on, you go.
So, Adeke. Hey, Bonana, she who born pikin? We not be train am, not be useless e be.
Hey, madam, hold your tongue. Now he the colours. Just take your time and mind your tongue. My pikin no be business pikin. Make him mind wetin you go talk. Before me and you go follow this afternoon. Okay. Just make him mind your tongue.
Make I tell you. Pikin wey no decent. Where they waka up and down. Kurukere, everywhere.
We are on
not
the
useless.
Máa gbọ́dọ̀ kòtòkòtò tó ti ẹ̀ jáde lẹ́nu obìnrin.
Tell am.
Rubbish, you are saying rubbish.
Tell am.
You no be your pikin wey go get infection. Who know where you go get infection sef?
God bless you. Make I hear.
Who know? Among two of you, Oloju Kokokoi, which of you give my pikin, your daughter, give my pikin disease? You dey win, you dey shout. You
Hey, who did there? Now let me carry knock door. Who be that person now?
Nami, where got your daughter? Got your useless daughter? When they walk up and down, they give people picking disease. Go inside, call her for me now. Call her for me because I'm ready to finish them.
Yado.
Baba Osho.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà yé mi. Ó wá yé mi báyìí o. Ètò bá jẹ́ pé wọn náà tó fi ìlú tó dùn nílẹ̀ ní Adó tó lọ fẹ́ Benin. Yes, if not be so, that your boy when they rape people up and down inside this estate, he rape for this block self. Enter estate they rape, carry that useless leg, who carry disease finish. You can't say that my daughter give her disease. You say that your pikin, it a piece in the pen, Mabi.
Yes, it
a piece in the pen. So the kidney and my jagun bag. Yes.
I'm gonna show you.
Me too better. To my jagun bag, no one here.
You when you drink up and down, you forget. You know where they carry you 3 days ago.
I don't blame you, now your husband I blame. Because if man day, we be saying life don't finish. We be saying wife don't spoil in life finish. Because if that man still get one small thing will remain for his life, everything will be good for his life. Now be these two things where you carry the picture for compound, the picture for estate. They do like this. Ever if there's a small thing, hey, last thing I know you get out. See the way your husband you don't finish in life.
See, I won't tell you, Mama Tayo. You know say I be Ado, and I marry Ado. But now I will do you. Hey, I will do you.
Yado. Hey, I be taxi driver.
You don't fit drive me.
I be taxi driver.
You don't fit drive me.
I be taxi driver.
You will not drive me.
Yes, of when. Our party steering. Yes.
àyíkanlẹ̀ ní ti mú òdu ẹ̀. Yes, me happy. Come. If I had you, somebody. This is the taxi where you drive for nothing. Come carry one thing will be like big pillowcase, 2 pillowcase, come here and tell me say you go do this thing. If not, be say yeah tire when no go do this thing. But I came and I go tell them go pump up. This one you carry come to do this thing. They carry the shake for the head. What is it there? That this thing I never see. If I wait now, may I show you when I drive move. Make I show you how I this I move. Nonsense. Ọmọ ẹni ò bá jọ ní àbáyọ Táyọ̀ ìwọ Táyọ̀ níwọ̀n tí mo dìde ìjókòó tí mo ṣe súná rẹ̀ tí mo sọ ń Táyọ̀ come carry this kind sadness come inside my house they open your leg yamayama anyhow around the compound. So all those waka wey you dey waka dey go like this, dey go like this, dey come like this, dey come like this, you go dey open your leg free of charge for people. The same block wey we dey here. So yẹn ni pé táyé bá ta ló tẹ mọ̀ bóyá ọ̀tẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti bẹ́ẹ̀ sùn lé mi bí inside this my house if the same block you fit dey sleep with boys inside the same estate Tayo that one no pay me o that one no even pay me sef o rí àwọn èèyàn gidi ọwọ́ èèyàn pàtàkì èèyàn ló mú òṣùṣù tó gbé mọ́tò ó gbé fọ́mọ ó dẹ̀ sọ ní assurance àwọn ajé tún gbàgbé wọn jó kiri gbòòrò assurance wọn ní forúkọ tiẹ̀ kọ assurance Tayo assurance Tayo torí orí ẹ̀ ti burú torí ẹ̀ bá burú ni you know who use that your useless legs like toothpick they go meet one useless boy wey be like a straw say na him dey sleep with you.
Baba Tayo. So upon this thing wey happen now you still dey encourage her make she still dey sleep around with men abi I no hear you.
Ṣé ẹ bunu ṣé mo máa ṣe yín me encourage am abi she don dey sleep around with men the one wey she dey go kodokodokodokodo like pussycat for night na me dey encourage am for that one only that thing dey encourage am to sleep with men but I that song.
So na the thing wey you suppose to talk be that you no talk straight ká mọ bí ta fẹ́ da ojú ọ̀rọ̀ sí see the thing wey you dey talk I assurance make she go follow person wey get money make she go na better talk be that one you wey be the head of the house that time wey I dey tell you say I dey suspect this girl ó dàbẹ̀ ní pọ́nrìnrìn òṣì ó ti ní boyfriend kí lẹ sọ ìjókòó tí àjọ sit down with that your yẹ̀yẹ́ àjọ dey calculate ṣé this your àjọ wey you dey calculate na ṣé go solve this problem.
irọ́ ẹ jẹ̀bi ṣé are you not the mother ṣé wọ́n kọ́ ni ìjà ẹ̀ ni ẹ̀wọ̀n kò ti sọ náà pé òun ti yà á gbọ̀nràn mọ́ràn like mother like daughter so I should leave my taxi where I dey go hustle every day dey leave my taxi make I come dey torchlight person wey dey carry her leg wey dey give people free ticket everywhere for estate free naira bed everywhere the block estate okada people.
You wey be the head of the house the one wey you suppose to dey do sef you no do am na this your ajo kurukere this your ajo today tomorrow you go sit down carry paper dey do na ajo na your ajo shey you don come down everything don come out now abalajo tomorrow you go hospital go check if she get the disease abi she no get am.
Me make me follow you go hospital okay na me dey follow am go do wetin she dey do abi if no be say you no get brain you no wise if that boy get am tọmọ lórí burúkú yẹn bá kó àìsàn wèrè yẹn why she no go get am see make I tell you the truth na your wahala be tough now as una carry una sef dey go hospital I dey carry my taxi dey go hustle my hustle ọdún bá yóò báyìí o
tó ti rí la yí ẹ báyìí
kórìí burúkú yìí máa kiri
tó ti rí la yí ẹ báyìí.
Thank you very much, Doctor. God will bless you for us. Like you said yesterday, that we should try and come with our neighbors. That is those who have been involved in this issue. But unfortunately, Doctor, my wife is not here with us because this morning she traveled for her business. With me here is this is Mama Tayo, this is Tayo, and Cynthia. Yes.
And my friend Efe.
My son Efe. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. All the results are actually out. And I have Tayo's. It baffles me that Tayo is not actually infected. I begin to be curious about this. Tayo, can I ask you a question? Or, I think the question should be directed to Efe. Efe, did you sleep with Tayo again after you have slept with Cynthia? No, sir. I think that's why she's not infected. You should count yourself lucky, Tayo. Especially these days where STI, sexually transmitted infection, flies about. You need to protect yourself. Unprotected sex can lead to STI. And if you are infected, most time you don't even know as a guy. It's when you are now ready to have your own family. That's when you now notice that you cannot procreate. You start to running from pillar to post. You need to be careful. At least by now you should know about the usage of condom. You should know at your age that if you want to have sex and you are not ready, you should be able to protect yourself. And if at all, as a Christian, you should even abstain from sex until you are ready to have your own family. Sex is not bad after all. But when you do it, when you are not ready for it, that's when it can lead to all these things. And also learned that, I remember you told me yesterday that you use ampicillin.
Yes, Doctor, thank you. Now what's the big boy when he call himself father of the area for our estate? Not being give my son that advice. When my son go meet and tell and say, you know as the body they doing, body they penny. You want peace, so now he tell my son say, make my son go chemist, go buy ampicillin, then ampicillin they are be close, make he take 4 tablets. That if you take 4 tablets, the disease will go.
You see, this is the problem we've been having in the health sector. Sometimes, by the time you now come to the hospital, you find it difficult to treat that simple infection because we have used drugs that are resistant to the bacteria. It is more important for you to come to the hospital so that we get tested and we will be able to treat you well and be free of that disease. Efe, I hope this one will stand as a warning to you and every other person that is listening to us now. Yes.
Thank you very much. Doctor, there's another thing again. This afternoon, my son confessed to me before we come here. Cynthia.
Okay, again.
Gave my son Tramadol before she forced my son to sleep with her.
You are right, sir. That's another thing to also talk about. You see, the trend at which our younger generation are going about Tramadol is alarming. And in 10-15 years from now, we will hear of increased rates of people coming down with kidney failure, kidney diseases. And I won't be surprised that very soon people will start going abroad or coming down for kidney transplants. because of just this simple drug. The drug that we prescribe for pain and at a particular dosage, they take, they abuse it. They can even take 1,000 grams instead of just 50 milligrams that we give as a prescribed dose. If you have to be very careful when it comes to usage of drug, and especially to our young ones. They just take drugs anyhow. Tramadol is harmful if it is taken beyond the prescribed dosage by a doctor. It can cause kidney failure. It can cause damage to some part of your body. And it's my prayer that God will continue to help you in Jesus' name.
God will bless you. Thank you very much.
And for the other results, Mama Tayo, I think you have to give Mama Cynthia this one. Tayo has no infection, but I think Cynthia. Then another thing is Mama Tayo. I think Tayo is pregnant.
See your life.
You can have the result.
Thank you, doctor.